everyone, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. I guess I need to get a haircut and a little bit of trimming here. Let's get started. Back with the haircut. How does it look? Good? So, most of the people have questioned me, exactly did I get these dreads and what is the process of making these. There is a touch-up for these dreads. I'm gonna show you how exactly they are done, as in the touch-up, so you'll understand the basic process. So I'm here at Shaniwar Wada. It is amazing. Check this out. The place is very huge and we have about only 20 minutes. So we were sitting here and clicking some pictures with this tree right here. These guys are also waiting like us for the light show. I don't know how much time it's gonna take, probably 15-20 minutes more. Once you visit Shaniwar Wada, firstly, if you're visiting the fort, the tickets are 15 rupees per head. No charges for photography, so photography is allowed. Thumbs up for that. Secondly, if you plan to come for a light show, you need to get these extra tickets as well. They cost 50 bucks. So the Hindi show is at like around 8:15 and the Marathi show is at 7:15. Let's go check it out. This is the place we're gonna sit and see.
माझ्या पायाशी लोळण घेतो आणि हा मावळ वारा माझ्या 6 जून 1674चा तो मंगल दिवस.
काय मागाल ती रक्कम देतो पण वाडा जाळू नका हुजूर.
Oh, ऐसा.
that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned, stay blessed.